What is up, YouTube? I don't know what we're about to watch, but we're gonna watch something right down here, okay? I'm moving the screen. It looks... Oops. Let's see. How about a Family Guy thing? Let's see how long. Let's try. Let's do this one. From Stacy Stack.
Right here.
You win!
All right, what do I win?
Another beer!
All right, ready? All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right. Easy. Wait. Stop.
What?
No. Twist it.
I am.
No.
Jeff is going to live.
Brian, did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
It's disgusting.
Sorry it took us so long to have dinner together. Oh, that's okay. You were busy being dead. I love his laugh.
Damn.
Oh, Meg, you have to babysit for Stewie Saturday. Nope. Okay, Chris, you have to do it.
What? That's not fair. I have a party to go to.
I didn't know it was supposed to be hard before I took the picture.
Oh, hey, Peter. Be with you in a sec. I'm burning the place down.
You got the bed bug?
He just says that so
This isn't the Red Rock Motor
confidently.
Lodge in Montgomery, Alabama.
I don't have bed bugs. I'm burning it down so I can fake my own death. Can you throw me that white fur coat filled with honey-baked hams?
What?
I can't take it, Peter. I thought I could marry Jess, but it's awful. I can't live this way.
I mean, I literally don't know where socks come from. No idea. Do they come from trees? From bushes? I don't know. Get a hole in one, new pair shows up in my drawer. Just like that. Food, too. I chucked the mustard onto the front lawn last week. That night, back in the fridge.
That would be kind of nice.
Listen, stick with me.
And lift off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
This is
That's
our
me
spot,
on the
Brian.
toilet.
A place just for married guys like you and me.
Husband's Restaurant? I've never seen this place before. Is it new?
Nope, been here for 30 years. You just can't see it until you get
No
married.
homo.
Watch, take your ring off.
Wow.
Wearing the ring also makes you wear giant khaki shorts with a belt and a lot of keys rattling around in the pockets.
That's literally half of all my
A
principles. Dead
series of
ass.
sheds. I got a lot of sheds back home.
Oh, you have more than one shed?
Of course, you always need an extra shed. I even got one shed that just has an extra shed in it.
High five on sheds.
Sheds!
Are those really Tom Arnold's sweatpants in that frame?
Yep, that's the husband's wall of heroes.
There are a lot of fat guys here.
Well, yeah, Brian, every man's true weight is at least 20 pounds heavier than how they look. You know how much energy it takes to hold all that in?
Wow, that feels amazing.
Now, let's order some food. I'm
What
starving.
the
My
fuck?
picture is starving. I'm Brian.
Awkward for your brother to change your
that's how
diaper, to be
paging
honest.
works. Why don't you just get a phone?
And he can talk.
You mean one of your government tracking devices? No thanks. I'm using a pager. Oh, you're looking at your steps? No, the government's watching where you're going.
Okay, Stewie's going to the party.
Yeah, but where's Chris going?
I have no idea. He's completely off the grid.
Damn it. You can't hide forever. Where are
Boy, this really is a high school party, complete with a popular kid who's clearly going to die in a car accident tonight. Yeah, he gone.
Damn.
I see we're smoking.
We're not smoking, we're vaping.
Douchebags.
Smoking is for losers. Vaping is for douchebags.
Oh.
I want to be a douchebag.
Do you own 19 hats?
Oh, it's delightful. Chris!
Chris, isn't this cool?
Stewie, don't say my name. There's an Alexa in here.
Sir, we have eyes on Chris. He's at a douchebag vaping party.
Sooner or later, they all get sloppy.
I gotta say, Bri, the guys at Husbands are a little worried about you.
Ew.
They said you had 4 Scott Peterson fish sandwiches yesterday.
Fireball?
No, because I'm not a Skidmore freshman at a Lake George share house. Or am I? Man, Skidmore's the best.
You said it, Pete. Race you to the raft?
You're on.
Yeah, let's go.
But the water was too shallow. Bryce broke his neck and never walked again. This put an end to off-campus drinking and lake house rentals.
He's starting
Yeah.
to smell. He needs a bath. He doesn't like baths. And I see you lost the alcohol argument.
Don't you hear them talking about you?
Yeah, I'm a dog. I can hear everything. By the way, the Stranger Things monster just farted.
Time for dinner, guys.
Awesome, I'm starving.
Oh! Holy crap, Brian, you okay?
Keep it down up there.
My screen just froze.
Crap, Hal, what's wrong with you?
You love it. How's it look, Doc? I'm sorry to say you have hip dysplasia.
What's that?
I'm not sure what dysplasia is, but I do know you don't often see a Y that far up in a word. I took the liberty of x-raying my own hip to show you what a normal one looks like. Why does it look like there's a Batmobile in your colon?
I'll take care of him. Like, you took care of me when I was sick.
Come back in a week. We can check your... I do impressions for the Doctor Talent Show. Do you know what this is? Rap. Rap. An MRI? Yes! Adding that to my set.
Oh my god. Where there's smoke, there's...
Just me vaping.
Stewie, if Mom and Dad see you with that thing, they'll kill me. Get rid of it.
No way, it's awesome. Watch this. Yeah, it's basically the same as eating fruit.
Vaping isn't bad for you?
It can't be bad for you if Stephen Dorff gave up acting for it.
It does seem like they're making it for kids. This flavor is baby formula. Watch this.
Wondershare Filmora is a user-friendly, easy-to-use video editing software which contains hundreds of special effects for video that allows you to easily create a unique visual effect.
I don't know what that shit anymore.
Like the movie The Ring.
Awesome.
Oh, heck no. Fucking silly ass bitch. Oh, ew. Why is the volume not working? What is this? What just happened? Hold up, I'll be right back.